You searched how to buy shares of Akebia Therapeutics Inc. Akebia is a biopharmaceutical company working on kidney disease therapies, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AKBA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AKBA to find Akebia Therapeutics. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker AKBA to ensure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform. This is informational only.